Welcome to the 9th episode. In this episode, we are going to work on the front decking and pick up a special surprise. Most YouTubers do not show the struggling aspects of building something custom. Here on the 717 Films YouTube channel, we show it all. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Different parts, but this is after the fact, so I'm going to start planning out how I want to do like the decking of it. I'm trying to do this budget friendly as possible, so a lot of planning needs to be involved, looking on Marketplace for cheaper stuff or used stuff, just trying to not kill myself with the budget here. But I'm going to plan stuff out, use some tape, use some cardboard, get the decking idea kind of how I want it, and kind of go from there. It's a lot of time lapses. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but unless you want to hear me talk to myself and wonder why I'm using this much tape or cardboard, but cue the time lapses, I guess, and we'll go from there.
Future me is going to reattach these. I need to stop being so quick to take things apart when they could be useful. Struggle bus incoming. My first approach is using tape to get a plan for how to build the deck. Now let's add some cardboard. We're gonna go find the donor jet ski. Well, not find, we're gonna go buy. This'll be fun. I'm excited. Oh, dude, people do not know how to drive. But yeah, Yamaha 750. Gonna go look at it. It's about 15 minutes away in Mechanicsburg. Hopefully everything goes good. We'll pick it up. We'll go try the jet ski. And then we will cut it. Take a perfectly good working jet ski and cut the shit out of it. Sounds like a doable plan, right? I love it. Stay tuned. Well, we did it. Yamaha 750. Let's freaking go. Rebuilt carburetors. Came with a trailer. Here she be in all her glory. 750. It's gonna be a shame when I cut her up. It's perfect. Rough around the edges. New carb. It's a big girl, but it has reverse. That's the key. This thing is sick. Nice trailer too. I love it. Brand new rebuild axles or bearings, whatever the hell he said. Good to go. But here's the ski. Super clean, fresh rebuilt carbs. Has different fuel lines, but everything looks like it's in great freaking shape. Very, very clean. Ran right away. But I'm just gonna part out a lot of this and cut the rest. But I think first things first, the Wave Venture by Yamaha needs to hit the water. Brought Landon in for this one. This is either going to be a really good idea or a really, really bad idea. We shall see. Well, it works. Not taking on water. The reverse isn't working, but that is too much freaking fun. I'm gonna end the vlog here. The new Wave Venture is perfect. Making a lot of progress and a lot of headway on a good budget so far, so I'm pretty happy with that. But this runs great. I'm excited. If anyone wants to buy a jet ski trailer, I have one for sale. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and have a good rest of your day.